Good morning, everybody. This is Joshua and Tony's Homestead Gardening. I came out here to check on my tomato that I transplanted to an old vacuum cleaner that I recycled and turned into a planter. As you can see, this is it. It has beautiful leaves on it, and it's growing wonderful. It was down here, so it's already moved up a few inches. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? So remember, if you can grow it, you can eat it, and anything, and I do mean anything, can be turned into a planter if it's recycled the right way. You have a great day.